going on, Nate? What's going on, Mixing Nights? I am Nate the Mixing, your YouTube fitness coach, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a crisscross jump rope. All right, so with that being said, all you're going to require is a rope and some motivation, because this is not an easy move, but it's not a tough move at the same time. So if you've been following me for the past couple of weeks, you did the basic jump and you also did the alternative jump. So if you need familiarization with that, make sure you check that out. But the basic jump is going to be our bread and butter for the crisscross jump rope. Now with that being said, you're going to start off with the rope. Just like you do anywhere else, your elbow is going to be close to your side, your wrist, your hands are going to be close to your hips, and all you're going to do is cross the rope right on the opposite end of those hips, okay? Keeping it at hip level, okay? And just bring it back the other way. So you're crossing it like you're swooping in, and then you swooping right back out. Swooping in, swooping right back out, okay? Kind of like you're a Ninja Turtle and you're cutting up pizzas like that. But anyway, crisscross jump rope. We're gonna get the rope in our hands right now. Right now I'm using a weighted jump rope. So if you're not familiar with this, I will leave the link in my description if you want to purchase one like this, but it's 1 pound. So you're gonna start off with a basic jump, all right? Nice and easy jumps. And when you're ready to crisscross, remember, you're gonna bring your wrist to the opposite end of those hips, like this, boom. Like this, boom. Just that quick, okay? So you can keep on alternating and going back and forth, all right? But you want to make sure you have that basic jump down pat, okay? So it's pretty straightforward, guys. Just cross your arms over. I know it seems like it's easy, okay? I didn't start off that way. I was whipping, my back was all whipped up because of this rope. But anyway, just keep on practicing. Crisscross your way to the opposite end and right back to the other side. Doesn't matter if you go left over right, right over left, whatever's gonna be comfortable for you. Your hands will know naturally where to go. Make sure you do 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off with this particular workout, doing the crisscross jumps. You know, take your breaks if you need to. It's okay, you won't get it in one day, you may get it in one day, and that's perfectly fine. Now with that being said, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on your push notifications, share this video with anyone who's trying to learn how to do a crisscross jump, and make sure you smash that like button. All right, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. That way, I can voice it over a little bit if I need to. All right, so let's start with the front first, right? And just keep on recording.